Hi, and welcome back to this new video tutorial of OpenCart. In today's video tutorial, what we'll be doing is we'll be checking out the OpenCart Warehouse Management System Flutter mobile application that has been designed for the warehouse managers so as to manage the orders that are received on their particular warehouse there itself. Now, in today's demonstration, what we'll be doing is we'll be dividing this particular demonstration into two parts. In the first part, what we'll be doing is we'll be showing you how a customer would be able to place the order at the OpenCart web store storefront, and thereafter we'll be taking you to the admin backend panel, wherein we'll be showing you how the admin in the first place will be able to assign that particular order to a particular warehouse and a warehouse manager there itself. Thereafter, in the part second, what we'll be doing is we'll be taking you to the other end, that's the mobile end part, and we'll be showing you how the warehouse manager would be able to make use of this Flutter mobile application for the warehouse management system so as to accept the orders, how he'll be able to pick and pack the orders using the particular what we say as the mobile application itself, and the rest of the workflow there as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So let's do one thing. Let's hop onto the OpenCart store front end first, and let's see how a customer in the first place, how he'll be able to place the order there itself and the rest of the workflow thereafter. So right now you can see that I'm at the OpenCart web store front end and I've already logged into the customer account there. So if I tap here on the my account, you can see that I'm logged into my customer account itself, and I've searched for one product, that's the Amul Taza homogenized milk, as you can see. So what we'll be doing is we'll be adding it into the cart and we'll be making a checkout thereafter as a customer. So let me add it to the cart. So I'll just tap here on the add to cart button. The product has been added into the cart, as you can see. Now let's tap here on the checkout button, and here we'll be selecting our billing details, our delivery details. We'll be selecting our delivery method and we'll be tapping here on the continue button. We'll be choosing the mode of payment. We'll agree to the terms and conditions, and then we'll be tapping here on the continue button thereafter. Now, to tapping on the continue button here, we have to confirm our order. So I'll just tap here on the confirm order button. So the total is $105, $100 for the product and $5 for the shipping there. Now, if I go to the history here, so here you can see that the order number is 16. And if I whip this particular order number 16 as a customer, here's the product, that's the Amul milk homogenized product that I've purchased. So now this was the customer's workflow, how the customer would be able to place the order from the OpenCart web store front end there. Now let's hop onto the admin backend panel of the OpenCart and let's see how the admin would be able to assign this particular order to a particular warehouse and a warehouse manager there itself, so that the assigned warehouse manager would be able to basically process the order further thereafter using the mobile application itself. So for that, let's hop onto the admin backend panel, and after logging into the admin backend panel, what we'll be doing is we'll be going to sales and orders, and here you can see the order ID is 16 that we had placed for $105 there. It's today's date there, and now let's whip the particular order. Now on the order details page, if I scroll down here, here you can see that we have the option to choose the warehouse. Now here is the product, that's the Amul milk homogenized product, and here's the warehouse where it's available, and here's the staff member, that's the Smith Dough, and I'll tap here on the assign product. Now after I've assigned this particular product, you can see that you have successfully assigned the product to the staff there, and you can see the status is being shown as initiated. Now the initiated status means that you have assigned the particular order to the warehouse manager there. Now thereafter there are other process states as well, and I'll be showing you in the mobile application part there, in the second part there. So if I go to the warehouse management system now and I go to the orders section here, now we'll be able to see the order number 16 has been assigned to the warehouse mobiles there, and the staff is Smith Dough. None of the totes have been assigned and the status is right now initiated. So for the rest, you can see these states are initiated. For some it's picked, for some it's started, and for the packed it would be showing it as packed there. Now this was the workflow at the admin end. Now let's hop onto the mobile end there, and let's see how a warehouse manager would be able to make use of the mobile application to process further the particular order that has arrived on their warehouse there. For the same, let's hop onto the mobile end now. So right now I'm at the mobile end and I'll be showing you the warehouse manager end, wherein he'll be able to log into his mobile application there itself and can process the orders that he has received on his warehouse there. So for this particular demonstration, you can assume this particular setup that I have set up here. You can see that I have a basket here and I have one product as well. That's a milk product itself. Now you can consider this as a rack of the warehouse itself, where I have placed this particular product there. Now let me show you the workflow at the mobile end for the warehouse manager. So as you can see on your screens right now, on the left hand side there is a warehouse management Flutter mobile application shortcut on my Android device. So for this particular demonstration today, we have used the Android device. You can also make use of the iOS application as well on your iOS, what we say as the devices there. Now to open the warehouse manager Flutter mobile application, what you need to do is you just need to tap on that, and then you'll see a particular splash screen, as you can see. And there you can see that we have the warehouse management system login page, wherein we have to enter the warehouse manager username and the password, and then we have to tap on the login button there. So let's tap here on the login button. Now, as soon as we've tapped on the login button, we will be able to see two different options. One is the order list and the other one is the verify option. Now, if I go to the order list here, we will see the complete list of orders that have been assigned or are in the different stages there. So right now you can see that the order number 16 that the customer had placed and which was assigned to the respective warehouse manager is also visible here. And the last, that is the order ID 16, and it's in the red icon there that says we have to assign a particular tote. Now whenever an order is being assigned to a warehouse manager, initially it is in the initiated state. Now for example, let me show you that. Now at the very top you can see that the very first option that we have is the search icon. So if I tap on the search icon, we can search the orders using the order ID as well. So we have to enter the order ID there, and then we can tap on the search button to search that particular order that we want to filter out. Apart from that, we have three horizontal lines. If I tap on these three horizontal lines there, then you can see that we have different stages there. The very first one with the red color notifies that the order has been initiated or has been assigned to the warehouse manager. Then we have the orange color that says started. It means that the tote has been assigned to a particular order. Then we have the blue color that says picked. It means that we have basically assigned the tote and we have picked the product and we have added the product quantity into the code tote there. And lastly, we have the packed. Now, after we have added the products in the tote, and after that, when we have verified the tote, then we can set the status to packed there. Now, I'll be showing you these stages there. And lastly, we have the logout option. So if I tap on the top right hand corner, then we can tap here on the logout option to log out of the particular Flutter mobile application for the warehouse management system itself. Now, let's see how we can assign a tote to a particular or a basket to a particular for a particular order there. So order number 16, let's open that up. And you can see that we have the Amul milk homogenized product. Now, the very first thing that we need to do is we need to add a tote or a basket for the order there. So here you can see that we have already are having a basket here. So I'll just tap here on the add option. I'll tap on the one time only and I'll scan the barcode. And you can see that the tote has been assigned to the order there. And now what we need to do is we need to add the product quantity within the tote or the basket itself. For the same, what we need to do is we need to tap on the Amul milk homogenized that is now available for tapping. So I'll tap on that. And here you can see that the product is at 4 more locations. If I tap on the view more, we can see the other locations where this particular product is available at within the warehouse racks there. I'll tap here on the OK. Now we need to scan the product barcode. So I'll tap here on the scan product barcode and I'll scan the product barcode there. You can see that the Amul milk homogenized milk has been added. And now we can tap here on the add quantity. So I'll go with the row 1, column 1, rack 1, shell 1, and I'll tap add. So you can see that you have added the ordered quantity to the tote there. And then we'll tap on the proceed button by tapping on the right arrow on the bottom right hand corner, and it says items collected. You have scanned all the items, want to submit for verification. I'll tap here on the submit button, and the particular order status would also be changed. And if I tap here, you can see that now it's picked. The order 16 is in the blue color itself. Now you can see that the order number 13 is in the orange color because the only the tote has been assigned to it, as you can see. Now let's go back. Now let's see how we can verify the particular basket or the tote to set the order status as packed there. For that, we have to tap here on the verify option, and what I'll do is I'll put the product there and I'll be scanning the barcode there, and you can see that the product is there within the tote itself. And I'll tap here on the tick mark on the top right hand corner. So I'll just tap here on the tick, and here you can see that it says items verified. Do you want to mark the order as packed? I'll tap here on the submit button, and you can see that the order status has been updated. Now if I go to the order list there, you can see that the order ID 16 is showing in the green color. That means it has been packed there within the warehouse itself. And this was the workflow at the warehouse manager end, and I hope that this particular demonstration helped you in understanding the workflow there at the warehouse manager Flutter mobile application end itself on the Android device there. And let me log out of the application there by tapping here on the logout option. So yes, that was much about this particular video for the OpenCart warehouse management system Flutter mobile application there. And if you still have any questions, queries, sessions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.